Bing bong! What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog, and in today's video we are going to be going over fitness tips and advice that I wish I knew when I was 15 years old, and I wish that I had these amazing set of skills, because now I would be so much bigger and so much stronger, and I would have so many more friends if I just applied what I learned 15 years ago. We're gonna get into that, but first we're gonna get weird in the gym. Let me retry that. We're gonna get weird in the gym.
Hey, hey, I gotta cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many, I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I couldn't shake. So I just keep killing till I'm at the gates. We straight, we treat them like worms in a lake. They bake, just give me a drum and a bass. I skate and grind till I'm numb in the face, okay? Don't fuck up my day, don't talk about clutch. I got ice in my veins, I'm colder than Trey. I stick to the code, I'm glitching the game. I do anything for the win at the end of the day. I gotta cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom.
So 15 years ago, I would be 16 years old, and I wish I knew certain things back then because it would have impacted me now. And these certain things, these set of skills that I could have acquired back then are a mass amount of just knowledge. And if I knew these things back then, right now my body, my mind, my physical attributes, my mental attributes, my spiritual attributes would have all been better in most cases and would have been at a higher level, and I would have been able to do more. The first thing that I wish I knew back then, which I did actually a lot of, but I didn't actually capitalize on it, was stretching and mobility and recovery, movements and exercise. A lot of people don't understand how important recovery and stretching is in the world and into your body and life. It is the single most important thing that can help you grow, help you be better at any activity, sport that you're trying to accomplish, and it overall will just make you a better person. 5 to 10 minutes a day, every single day. If I learned that 15 years ago when I was a kid, oh my God, I would have been able to play badminton better, I would have been able to work out better, recover faster, which in turn allows me to be stronger and to do more on the field, on the court, on the gym. It would allow me to do so many more things. When you're just starting out your fitness journey, your adventure of learning muscle development and strength training, a lot of people just kind of go into the gym and they do what they want to do. They don't have a directed list of things that they need to accomplish. They kind of just go online, on YouTube, TikTok now, and they look up exercises and routines that they think are cool because their favorite influencer or friend are doing them. But in reality, it's not actually the best for your specific needs. Now, this is something that I get asked a lot, and I tell people all the time. It's important to create a program and find someone to make you a program that actually is designed for you, because your body is different than Mike and Tracy's body and you aren't at their level. You may start at the same point and start at the same time, but their body may be a little bit more enhanced or developed than yours, or vice versa. So you have to figure out a program that's designed for you, not just something that you see that you like. So what I'm trying to say here is, if I knew back then to hire somebody or obtain something that is designed for me versus something that I like to see, and I see other people doing, I would have had a better solid foundation of growth, and my progression line would have been at a straight up angle versus kind of like this up and down thing, which everybody knows that there's no such thing as a straight line up to success. It is bumpy, but at least your foundation would have been solid, and you would have had a perfect, why did I say it like that? A perfect outline of success. Food consumption and dieting is something that I took for granted back in the day when I was a kid because my metabolism was at such a high level. And I'm not saying as a 15, 16-year-old to just like go chicken and rice every single day. I'm saying I wish I knew the knowledge of what dieting actually was and how eating healthy could have impacted me long term and in the future. Eating healthy doesn't have to be a structured chicken and rice, beef and potatoes every single day, every 2 hours, meal timing kind of bullshit. You can have healthy foods and just not eat junk food. So cutting out sugars, fast food, stuff like that, to where your body is only eating healthy fuel that's going to promote healthy development. That's something that I wish I knew back then. It would have impacted me now because it would have allowed me to understand a better grasp on how food helps your body grow and how food can help your body not grow. Eating junk food comes in place, sugars during your workout, cheat meals during your weeks of bodybuilding. There are times and places for unhealthy options, but if you just drill into your mind as a kid to eat at a healthier level, your outcome in the future will thank you. Your future self will thank you because it'll have this amazing foundation of understanding what good food is and what junk food is. And there's a time and place for it, and you're gonna learn everything, and it's gonna be amazing. Another big thing that I wish I learned 15 years ago that would have helped me now is just dedication and drive. A lot of people start their day and they wake up in the morning, they get their breakfast, they follow a routine, but they don't really have the passion and the drive to continue to do what they want to do. If you just learn at a young age what dedication can do for you and what delayed gratification can do for you, the success you'll see will be at such a significant level that you won't even have to worry about anything in the future. Literally, it's going to prevent so many failures in life, and you're going to be able to do so many more things by just understanding like that good things come eventually. Delayed gratification, what that means is you want the candy now, you can get the candy now. But if you get the candy later, it'll come with $100. The point is to take the candy later so you obtain something better. The longer you wait, the better it can get. That's what delayed gratification means. So if you can grasp that at a young age, at a older point in your life, you'll understand that if you wait for things, it may actually benefit you more, and that can help you in the gym tremendously. It can help you with your diet tremendously. It can help you with almost everything in life tremendously. So there's this thing, right? So there's this thing, and it is social life. Social life is something that I took for that I didn't have in high school because I gamed all day and I worked out, right? So I didn't really have so much of a social life like a lot of my friends did. If I knew 15 years ago that social life is something that could help cater you to having a better social life and ability to talk to people and be around people in the future, it's something that you should really, really aim to do and have. Friends, family, be a part of it, have a good relationship with your family, a good relationship with your friends, because not only can they lift you up and help build you, they are also somebody who can be your support system. If you want to go to the gym, there's somebody who can go with you. If you need someone to keep you accountable for eating healthy, those are the people who you can count on. Having a social life is incredibly vital for future success. Also, when it comes down to dieting, social dieting is not a thing. If you're going out to eat with your friends and family, do not worry about your diet. Do not bring a scale. Do not bring any of that stuff. Just go out with your friends, have fun, and eat fun food, and don't sacrifice time to be at to bodybuild, right? You don't get that time back. Now, there's something that I learned now that I wish I learned back then. One of the stupid things, but pre-workouts, right? Supplements. I wish I really took the time to learn what's in supplements and how to like decipher what a supplement is, because a lot of the time you just take things because you read to take them, or you hear somebody taking it and you just take it because they are. Read ingredient panels and research what ingredients do and how they can help you, because you'll probably obtain a better structure and foundation if you learn actually what you're taking and why you're taking it versus just taking it. You should be taking creatine. Research why. L-carnitine. All these things. Research why these supplements are beneficial for you and if you actually even need it. Someone who's 140 pounds who has muscle and no fat shouldn't be taking a fat burner, right? You should be taking creatine to help pack on more muscle and strength. There are a lot of things that you shouldn't be taking and you should be taking, so just learn the supplements of what are the most beneficial for your age and your goal versus what you like and what you see your influencers do. So again, this is a different kind of video. This is a talking head video. I appreciate everybody stopping by. I know it's a little bit different. It's 52 degrees out in like the day and I'm at work, so it's like 20 degrees when I get home, and filming at that time is just not possible. We're doing this in my backyard on my deck. This was a different kind of video. This was a what if I knew video. My next video is going to be back to that whole fitness kind of thing, but for right now, I gotta end this because it's 30 degrees out. My camera's gonna die. I have 30 minutes left of recording because I didn't offload any of my data. So I want to thank you all for stopping by. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share the video with anybody who thinks that you think this video will benefit. Younger or older. It's beneficial for everybody. Also, be sure to watch my reels. I post exercises of the days. My social media handles are all the same on all platforms, so be sure to check those out and like those and share those also. You can write them down of different muscle groups. I post every muscle group. And be sure to watch my next video. It's gonna pop up right here, and my little bubble head is going to pop up right here. Subscribe to that, watch that, and I'll see you next time in the next vlog. Thank you. Peace out. Bye.